community where entrepreneurs, talent, and investors build startups. For those who are new to our channel, I will tell you more about Connect link at the end of the video. Watch till the end. In our last video, we talked about how to validate your startup idea. I put the link in the description. If you haven't watched that video, don't forget to check it out. Today, I will dive into the process of turning your idea into a product and building your startup from scratch. If you are ready to bring your vision to life, this video is for you. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about the essential steps to transform your idea into a tangible product and in turn build your startup business. Step 1. Refine your idea. Every startup begins with a unique idea. However, it's crucial to refine and clarify your concept before moving forward. It is the process of generating and evaluating potential ideas that could form the foundation of your product or service. Encourage yourself and your team to think outside the box and consider unconventional ideas that have the potential to disrupt the industry. You and your team can achieve this by conducting through the market research, trends analysis, and seeking feedbacks from trusted mentors or potential customers. Step 2. Market validation and define your value proposition. What makes your idea compelling and valuable? You must clearly define your value proposition, the unique benefits your product offers to your customers. Identify how it solves their problem or fulfills their needs better than the existing solutions. Be sure that there is a real demand for your product or service before investing significant time and resources into its development. And market validation is the crucial step to help you validate the viability of your idea in the market. It helps you mitigate the risk of building something that may not meet customer needs or face significant market challenges. One of the effective approaches to market validation is engaging directly with your target audience. This can be done through surveys, interviews, or focus groups to gather feedbacks on your idea, understand their pain points, and gauge their level of interest. Step 3. Business planning. Business planning is a crucial step in building a startup as it provides a roadmap for success and ensures that you have a clear direction and strategy in place. It involves a comprehensive analysis of your startup's mission, vision, and values, as well as a thorough understanding of your target market and competition. Conduct a SWOT analysis. It's a crucial component of business planning. It allows you to identify and leverage your strengths, address and mitigate weaknesses, capitalize on market opportunities, and navigate potential threats. This analysis provides insights into the internal and external factors that may impact your startup's success, enabling you to develop strategies to maximize your chance of achieving your goals. Step 4. Develop a minimum viable product. An MVP is a simplified version of your product that focuses on the core features and functionalities necessary to solve the target customer's pain point. It allows you to bring your idea to life and gather valuable user feedbacks early on. The primary goal of an MVP is to test your assumptions, validate your value proposition, and gather insights to refine your product before investing significant resources in a fully developed solution. In our video, How to Find Free Contributors for Your MVP, you can also find the strategies for this step. Remember to check the link in the description. Step 5. Develop your go-to-market strategy. A go-to-market strategy is a comprehensive plan business use to bring a new product or service to market, designed to mitigate the risk inherent in the introduction of a new product. A typical GTM strategy includes target market profiles, a marketing plan, and a concrete sales and distribution strategy. A solid go-to-market strategy is vital for launching your product successfully. The key elements you should develop throughout the process include, but not limited to, identify your target audience and understand their preference, clarify your value proposition, define your pricing strategy, craft your promotion strategy, and develop a marketing plan to reach your customers effectively. Step 6. Build your team. Building a startup is a team effort. As your idea evolves into a product, you will need to assemble a skilled and dedicated team. Identify the roles and expertise required, and recruit team members who share your vision and complement your skills. In our video, How to Assemble the Right People, you can find more details of how to build a great team. The link is attached in the description. Step 7. Secure funding. Turning your idea into a product requires financial resources. You can explore various funding options such as bootstrapping, crowdfunding, angel investors, or venture capital. Be sure to craft a compelling pitch deck and present your vision to potential investors. You can also find the investors in ConnectLink. In ConnectLink, we have a huge community that gathers founders, contributors, and investors. You can access powerful networks all over the world. We also offer you the one-stop service to help you find the best fit investors who share similar values with you and your product. You can get your ideas spread out by easily making your first post from the link in the description. Step 8. Launch and iterate. It's time to launch your product and enter the market. However, remember the journey doesn't end here. Continuously gather user feedback, measure performance, and iterate your product based on the market demands. Stay agile and adapt to the evolving needs of your customers. Step 9. Scaling and growth. As your business is on the right track, you may also need to prepare for scaling and growth in the future. It focuses on expanding your business operations, customer base, and revenue, and involves strategically increasing the size and scope of your startup to meet growing demand, penetrate new markets, and achieve sustainable profitability. Scaling and growth require careful planning, effective execution, and the ability to adapt to changing market dynamics. From these steps, you can successfully transform your idea into a tangible product and build the foundation for your startup. Remember that building a startup is a challenging but rewarding journey. Stay focused, persevere through obstacles, and always prioritize customer satisfaction. We hope this video has been helpful to you. You can also find more details about this topic in our blog. I'll put the link in the description. For those who are new to this channel and not familiar with ConnectLink, ConnectLink is a community that integrates resources for entrepreneurs who want to find talent and investors, talents who aim to find real startups to contribute, and investors to find interesting startups to fund. Please check our website in the description if you are any one of these groups that have enthusiasm in startup business. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or additional tips to share, please leave a comment below. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay tuned for more videos coming through. See you next video.